Here's a 2017 Honda HR-V. Is it an SUV, hatchback, or compact? Yes, and it's in a category all its own. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated bucket seats, streaming audio, manual tilting steering column, doors and push-button start proximity key, external memory control, power sliding and tilting sunroof, wireless phone connectivity, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book explains the HR-V aims to do more with less and largely succeeds thanks to its easy driving manners, good fuel economy, and bigger than you'd think interior. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.